Hello people, today I will show you how to create two columns just like a newspaper in Microsoft Word. Basically, you highlight the text you want to convert into columns. Make it slightly bigger so we can see more clearer. So you highlight the text by pressing Ctrl and A, or edit or select all by dragging the mouse like this. Then all you need to do is this tab called paragraph tab. You click on the arrow, can you see that? And you keep the spacing a bit wider, bit 1.5, and then all you need to do is go to the layout, columns and 2. Can you see? It's turned 2 columns. If you want more columns, or you can have different format, then go to more column options, and then you can have small one on the left and larger one on the right. You can have 3, 4 depending how many you want. There we go. And you can have line in between as well, so go back to column options, and then there's there will be an option to whole document. Can you see there's this little option there, line between? Click on there and you will see, there we go, 3 columns just like a newspaper report. Thank you for watching guys, goodbye.